For this full bust adjustment tutorial, we're using the sample size 18 based on the chest measurement, 45 inches, and bust 48 inches. The formula is the full bust measurement minus the chest measurement, which is Z. Z subtract 1 inch equals Y, and Y divided by 2 equals X. X is our full bust adjustment measurement. Using our chest and bust measurements, we will go through the FBA formula to calculate the FBA adjustment measurement that we need. We are starting with the bust measurement of 48, subtracting the chest measurement 45. Then using our Z calculation, we will subtract 1 inch and get our Y number. Y is then divided by 2 and equals X. Our X number is the measurement that we will be using to apply in the FBA steps. Using a scratch piece of paper, draw a vertical line in the center of the paper and label it line E. Use a ruler to draw a second line, the distance of the X measurement from our formula. In this example, we are spacing it by 1 inch for an FBA adjustment of 1 inch, and the second line is labeled F. Use a straight edge to draw a horizontal line through the center of the dart. Measure 1 inch away from the end of the dart point and draw a line straight down parallel to the grain line. Connect the end of the arm side notch down to the center. Starting at the bottom of the pattern piece, cut up, then angled out to the arm side notch, leaving a small paper hinge. Starting at the side, cut the dart open to the center, leaving a small paper hinge. Cut the left side of the pattern piece on the length adjustment line. Using your paper from step 1, place the pattern piece on top of line F, aligning the straight edge. Then adjust the pattern, laying flat for the left side of the pattern piece to lay on line E. Draw a horizontal line extending the bottom of the pattern piece, then draw a second line extending the grain line side of the pattern piece to create a perpendicular corner in the bottom left. Tape the rectangle pattern piece in the bottom left corner on the drawn lines, and then trim away the excess paper around the pattern piece. Draw a 3/8 inch seam allowance line at the bottom of the front shirt pattern piece and at the top of your front pant pattern piece. Using these two seam allowance lines, overlap the two pieces of paper on the line and mark where the pants meet the shirt. Draw a line from the edge of the pant up to the side of the shirt, mimicking the slight curve of the side seam. Trim away the excess paper by cutting on the new drawn line. Gently fold the dart and use tape to temporarily hold the dart closed. Place the front shirt pattern piece on top of the back shirt and, starting at the underarm, true the side seam by slowly rotating the front shirt pattern piece along the side seam to check the pattern pieces match the same length. Here my front pattern piece is about 1/4 inch shorter than the back pattern piece, so I am drawing a horizontal line along the bottom of the pattern piece and trimming away the excess length. Carefully remove the tape from your pattern piece and unfold the dart. Great work! Now you have successfully applied a full bust adjustment to your Rosie Utility Suit pattern piece.